Check this out. This is a dual zone water timer. Look how small the box is. So let's go ahead and let's get it open and see what the heck's in here. And of course it's from our favorite company, right? That we love. I don't know what that is. Let's get rid of it. Plumber's tape. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. This is very interesting. All right, so you got to put some batteries in it. I pop this off so it goes like this. Look, it's no big deal. It just pops on and you pop it off. So that's where the batteries go. We're going to show you how to put them in there in a second. I just put that back on for now. All right, so here you have a place where you put the hose on, right? And here's your two hoses coming off. You follow me? So you can set this up to water like different plants that you have in your house, and you don't have to even think about it, because you can hook your hose up, put your little other hoses on, like maybe soaker hoses, right? Soaker hoses, and then you just set your timer here, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Put your main hose here, and then your soaker hoses come out here and go to the plants, and you just leave this on, and of course it just, doesn't come out until the timer kicks in and tells it to. So that's going to be pretty cool. Let's see what else is in the box. All right. I think there's some directions. Read those. And there's something else in here. Oh, O-rings. You may need those. Yeah, they go in here. So you got to put these in there. Otherwise, you can have leaks. But we're gonna try this and see how it works. First thing we got to do is put the batteries in. So hang on just a second. Let's do that. All right. So anyway, let's go ahead and undo this. If you look in there, you're going to see you need AAAs. AAAs are those smaller batteries. There's the neutral side. It goes against the spring, right? So you got to smush that in there. And then the other one you're putting in upside down like that. So once they're in there, then you can put this on. I don't know if it matters which way it goes. And bam, look, it's working. All right, so when you see down here, there's a little arrow that's telling you like where you're on. So if I go to on, right, it's off now. If I go to on, there we're on. Then I can go to set clock, right? I can set the clock. And so it's showing me like 12 right there. So let me see what time it is. I'm going to look on my computer. It's 11:34, so I want to go to 11. So if I hit this, it should drop down to 11. No, it's 24. Oh, 12. Okay, I get it. So it's at 12. Let me see if I can go to the right time. You ready? 24:12. Set clock. I want to set the time on it, right? So is that letting me? All right, so now it's giving me 12:30 p.m. Let me see if I hit it again. All right, now let me see if I can go up on this. Okay, yeah. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I'm in AM. Now I can get to where I want to go in AM. I got to go to 11. 10. Okay, 11:33. That's pretty close to what time it is right now here. So it's 11:33 in the AM. So I've set my clock now, okay? And now I can set my start time here. So whatever time I want to start. Right now it's showing 9 a.m., okay? So if I want that to be my start time, I think I can hit manual on here. And that's going to make it, and then I can change it here. Let's just go 1 minute. All right, so then I hit manual again. Okay, that's going to be my start time. All right, and it's zone 1 and 2, showing it here. So let's go to how often. I don't know. Let's just go do 1. I'm just doing 1. Let's go to, I have to hit manual every time. So Then I go to off, and then it's off. It's weird because it shows the off in there. I wonder if that stays like that. It might. But anyway, that's kind of like how you're going to do it. And then this is zone 2, and this would be zone 1. And it shows you right on here, so you know which zone you're setting up, okay? And I think that's how it works. It shows you how much the battery is, so you know where you're at. And then when you turn it on, it should go right to the right time, which is 11:34, right? And then if I switch to the zones, I can switch zones, right? So I'm on, if you look here, it shows zone 1, right? Can you see it? If I click it again. So I'm switching zones, watch. And it kind of goes off when I do that. All right, see how it's underlined there? Now watch, I'm going to click it. And it should underline the other one. So you can just, you can flip from zone to zone on your timer. And that's basically it. Now you just got to hook it up, hook up your hoses, and start watering your plants. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.